my god.
Hey, this is Kevin from Southwest Ohio Adventures. I'm in Findlay, Ohio at Blanchard River Covered Bridge. We have not had a snowfall like this in quite some time, but it's really beautiful. It's really neat to see a covered bridge out in this kind of weather, but it's cold. This bridge is built in 2009 by the Ohio Department of Transportation, and the design is a Pratt through truss. Thomas and Caleb Pratt were a father and son duo of engineers that patented this truss in 1844. This is a really beautiful park. There's the Blanchard River. That concludes our trip to Blanchard River Covered Bridge up here in Findlay, Ohio. It's getting pretty cold out, kind of hard to see, but absolutely beautiful, really neat bridge. These new bridges sometimes can just be as beautiful as the old ones, but check the place out yourself. Let me know what you think in the comments. I appreciate you watching.